When it comes to decorating for Christmas, many people think of traditional colors like red, green, and gold. But if you're looking to bring a fresh, elegant, and calming touch to your holiday decor, blue can be an amazing choice. Blue offers a soothing, wintry vibe, perfect for those who want a modern or coastal feel to their Christmas decorations. Whether you're drawn to icy light blues or rich navy tones, blue can create a sophisticated and unique atmosphere that still feels festive and joyful. One of the best places to start incorporating blue is with your Christmas tree. You can choose ornaments in different shades of blue to add depth and variety. Light blue ornaments create a frosty, snowy vibe, while darker blues like navy or royal blue offer richness and contrast. If you're someone who loves metallics, combining blue ornaments with silver or gold can take your tree's look to the next level. Silver enhances the cool, icy feel, while gold adds a touch of luxury and warmth. You can also mix in white ornaments or clear, glass ones for a truly magical winter wonderland effect. Even your tree topper can have a blue element, like a star or ribbon with blue accents. And don't forget about the tree lights. While warm white lights are a go-to for many, cool white or blue lights can complement your blue-themed tree beautifully. They bring out the frosty tones of the blue decorations and make the whole display feel cohesive. If you're feeling adventurous, you could even try lights that alternate between blue and white for a truly mesmerizing effect. Using blue in the lights will highlight the overall color theme and make it pop, especially if your tree is the focal point of your living space. Now, moving beyond the tree, there are many ways you can spread blue throughout your home. Think about your mantel. A blue garland with perhaps some silver or white accents can instantly set the tone for the room. You can incorporate blue candles, stockings, or even vases with blue flowers, like hydrangeas or white poinsettias with blue painted tips, to create a cool, elegant effect. Adding blue ribbon to wreaths or swapping out traditional red and green stockings for blue ones can give the whole space a cohesive, modern look. Blue works beautifully in combination with other winter-themed decorations, like snowflakes and icicles. You can add blue-tinted snowflake ornaments or icicle lights to windows or doorways for an extra wintry vibe. Icicles hanging from the tree, with a soft blue glow, create a serene, frozen aesthetic that can make your room feel like a magical winter retreat. And if you love DIY projects, consider making blue-tinted snow globes or glass jar centerpieces filled with fake snow and blue Christmas balls to add a personal touch. For your table setting, blue can be used to create a stylish and refined look. You can start with a blue table runner or placemats, and layer it with silver or white dinnerware for contrast. Blue napkins or napkin rings with little snowflakes or star-shaped holders add a touch of elegance. A blue-themed centerpiece could include a vase with white flowers, blue ornaments, and perhaps even some battery-operated twinkle lights. The overall effect will be fresh, inviting, and festive without feeling overly traditional. One of the advantages of using blue in your Christmas decor is that it works well with so many styles. If your home already has a coastal or nautical vibe, blue Christmas decorations will feel like a natural extension of your existing decor. If you're into minimalism, soft blues paired with whites and metallics can create a chic, understated look. And if you're a fan of glam, rich blue tones with gold accents can bring an opulent feel to your holiday decor. Whatever your style, blue can be adapted to suit your taste while still feeling festive. Another benefit of blue is that it evokes a sense of calm and serenity. The holidays can be a busy, sometimes stressful time, so having a peaceful and tranquil environment can help set the right mood. Blue tones, especially when paired with soft lighting and natural elements, can make your home feel like a relaxing retreat. It's a color that reminds us of snowy winter skies and peaceful nights, which can create a sense of comfort and coziness, even in the midst of the holiday hustle. And if you're concerned that blue might not feel Christmassy enough, don't worry. Blue has long been associated with winter and the holidays. Think of the beautiful winter landscapes, icy blues of snowflakes, and the deep, rich blues of the night sky in December. It's a color that's both timeless and versatile, and when used thoughtfully, it can bring a sense of elegance and freshness to your holiday decor. Plus, blue decorations can easily transition into winter decor after the holiday season, making it a practical choice if you want something that lasts longer than just Christmas. If you're thinking of expanding the blue theme beyond just decor, you could even consider wrapping your gifts in blue paper. This adds another layer of cohesion to your holiday theme and looks absolutely stunning under the tree. You can play with different shades of blue, from shimmering metallic wrapping to matte paper, and tie everything together with silver or white ribbons. The gifts will look as thoughtfully designed as the rest of your decor. From your Christmas tree to your mantel and even your table settings, blue can add a unique touch that feels fresh and inviting. If you decide to incorporate blue into your outdoor decorations as well, you'll find that it works wonderfully with the natural winter landscape. Blue outdoor lights, whether on trees, along the roofline, or in garden displays, give off a cool, crisp glow that complements the frosty air and any snow-covered scenery. If you're using blue on your front porch, you might consider a blue wreath or garland wrapped around your front door. Paired with silver or white, it creates an icy, elegant entrance that stands out in the neighborhood. Blue lanterns or lights on the porch can add to this effect, creating a soft glow that welcomes guests with a unique winter wonderland vibe. Another great aspect of using blue in your Christmas decor is its ability to blend with natural elements. Blue, especially in lighter shades, can be a beautiful complement to rustic or natural decor like pine cones, wooden accents, or even greenery. If you're creating a more nature-inspired holiday look, using blue ribbons, ornaments, or even blue-tinted mason jars can add just the right pop of color while maintaining a natural and organic feel. The contrast between the soft, cool blue and the warmth of natural wood or greenery creates a balanced, visually interesting display. And don't forget, blue decorations can also reflect your personal taste and traditions. Whether you're creating a peaceful, calming atmosphere, aiming for a modern and chic look, or simply trying something new, blue offers endless possibilities to get creative and add a personal touch to your Christmas decor. It's a color that is both elegant and versatile, making it easy to adapt to various themes and styles. Incorporating blue into your Christmas decorations can be a fun way to break from the norm, while still maintaining that festive holiday spirit. Whether it's through subtle touches or a full-on blue Christmas theme, this color brings a unique charm to the season, transforming your home into a beautifully decorated, peaceful space that feels both modern and timeless. So whether you're planning your decor down to the last detail or just looking for inspiration, blue is definitely a color worth considering. It has the power to refresh your space and make this Christmas feel extra special. Enjoy exploring the possibilities, and don't be afraid to get creative with how you use blue to make your holiday decor stand out. Lastly, blue offers a way to stand out. While traditional colors are always beautiful, incorporating blue into your Christmas decor allows you to create something that's uniquely yours. It's unexpected but still feels festive and magical. Whether you're using light, icy blues for a frosty winter wonderland or rich, deep blues for a luxurious touch, this color can elevate your holiday decor and give your home a fresh, modern feel that your guests will remember. So, as you're planning your Christmas decorations this year, don't be afraid to embrace the beauty of blue. It's a color that's full of potential, bringing with it a sense of calm, elegance, and a wintry charm that can transform your home into a serene, festive space.